guys, Queenie here, welcome back to my channel. So for my previous videos, I actually received a comment and he really wants to see the real rural lifestyle of Chinese people in the villages. So here I come. I've never come out with a couple. I'm now at Chengdu West Railway Station. So our destination this time is Ya'an City. Here comes our friends Jack and Sophia. This is Jack.
Hey guys, I'm Jack. I'm from Australia and this is my second time in China.
Hi everyone, I'm Sophia. I'm from Nepal and this is my first time in this city and in this country, and I'm really excited for what is ahead today.
Okay, nice. So today we're gonna travel with my friends. Now our trip will start.
Let's go, we're on the train. Woohoo!
Ya'an City is actually very famous for its tea. It is an Asian tea producing city in China, home to the giant pandas and also a perfect historic gateway to Tibet, Ocean County, where the first panda in the world was found. When I talked to Jack and Sophia, they were so excited to see the pandas. So, let's go.
And what's this number next to it?
Identity number of each panda.
Okay, cool.
那么每一只每一天要吃掉500块，那么每一天会给他们给到100斤竹子，那个胡萝卜啊、还有苹果这些水果、蔬菜水果、窝窝头、熊猫窝窝头，100斤竹子它只会吃到60斤，因为它会挑嫩的部分，好吃的部分。
这个脸好好笑。So guys, right now we're at the Monding Mountain with Jack and Sophia.
Okay, the origin of the takeover.
90%，90%
一点不夸张。要不就是做的种茶，
就相当于是以茶为生的。
以茶为生啊，要么种茶，要么是制茶，要么就是加工，就是批发贩卖，还有就是收做这些，反正就是跟这个相关。
那他这儿农民，比如说他种茶，他收入怎么样？
收入很好，收入很高，因为这个是不收税的。你包括
这个不收税，
农业都不收税，农业都不收税。你种不收税，你哪怕这个小作坊哈，没成规模的也不收税。
赚大钱 ，money come, money come, money come, money loves me. Sophia and Jack are trying to do the skill. They're like doing it from zero.
I think you did it.
Yeah, you did it. You did it. I like the view of the city here. Look, it's so beautiful. At the tea garden here. Oh, we do have 2 people there picking teas already. Let's see, who are they? Oh wait, is that Jack and Sophia? See, that happens when you travel with a couple. Hi, hello. If it's like this, yeah, you can just pick it like this.
Just that?
Yes.
Yeah, that's it?
Just that. Simple.
对，这个地方，这个。
So not the leaf, just the new bit.
Yes. So actually what we're doing right now is just a little part of the experience. So if you're like a real farmer here, you have to get up very early in the morning and go pick all the buds of the tea.
It's crazy, yeah, so much hard
work. It takes hours to do that.
Yeah, it's interesting, like the farmers get up really early in the morning, pick all of the tea, and it must be really, really hard because they'd have bigger baskets than this. And yeah, it's a lot of hard work.
Yeah, but the good thing is, especially for these kind of teas, the best time to pick is in spring.
Is in spring, okay.
Yeah, so early March is the best time.
Okay, that's interesting.
So it won't get very hot.
Ah, okay. So it's all organic.
Yes. You hear the winds? Guys, so beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my god. Do you want to feed them with the worms there?
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh! Wow! 太摇了我一口，好痛！原谅他。So far, I feel like this city is a really good place to live. Like you can live here with a cozy ledge. For example, you can drinking the tea here and climbing up the mountains, and you can go out into the forest to see the pandas. And the houses are affordable. It has everything. What a nice city. So guys, right now I'm at the local B&B house. It's running by a local villager here. So my room is on the 3rd floor near Sophia and Jack's room. So if you live here in the morning, you can just sit here and enjoy the views outside the window. Not bad. Oh, they also have a little tea house here for you to sip in teas. Ooh, I love how it feels to live inside the mountains. Really nice. I hope there's like a cup of coffee and I can just live. So nice. And I like this line here. It says we love country life so much. I can't agree more on that. And then I'll probably just gonna talk to the local villagers here, because as I know, this restaurant and also this B&B is run by a local villager.
我们是属于在民宿上，对不对？那个茶叶的话，就是主要在搞第2、3页、第3层一个，一般在3层左右去了。基本上我们就很多就说情人在采，比如说就那个采，正是采摘茶叶。哦，懂了。你情人要出他工钱，这样算下来我们就反正都不大。
像这种民宿那种是你们自己建的吗？自己花钱盖的吗？还是？
自己花钱，
全部自己花钱盖的。哦，那你们还挺有钱的吧？这个盖这个应该不便宜吧？
那肯定当的嘛，旁边都上千万。
说你们在做这个之前，其实也在做别的生意嘛，都是做。
大部分原来开农家
乐，就是从农家乐变成了这种民宿。
扯旧换新。
So what's your like most memorable thing from their conversations?
One thing I really liked is when they were younger, like they did a lot more farming, and now they've built up today to be like businessmen. And I think that's like really inspiring. They explained everything really well, and it was interesting to hear like a local's perspective on it. It was really good. Yeah, and it was just cool to hear from like local people in China.
So dope, isn't it? Well, yeah, we faced big troubles during the process of cloth molding.
Wow. Whoa. Wow. I mean, the fire that we just saw then, like the kiln, that was crazy to see how they do that so locally, and the workers seemed really chill, and like it's good that they get a good salary, because that I guess that's why they are staying and working for 30-40 years. So they've really mastered their craft.
Yeah, everyone is very friendly.
Yeah, very nice and like really caring and stuff, and yeah, it was like making the pottery was really good, and like sort of like a meditation almost.
Oh,
It was a good experience.
Have you ever seen like things like this back in your country?
Yes, but I haven't done that. But
You haven't tried that?
Yeah, I haven't tried.
Yeah, I've like sort of seen stuff like that, but not like pottery, like different type of work, like metal work or something. But like, yeah, it's cool. Yeah. It's
Okay.
nice.
Yeah.